Hey, hi guys, my name is Forever Looney and today we will be speaking into websites again. Alright, so here we can actually see that I'm on a website called GoDaddy. So what GoDaddy does is actually they are doing hosting, they are doing domain name for you, you are getting your websites and stuff like that. This I will actually speak in the future, on the future videos. So here we can actually see that today we are going to focus on the website building. Alright. So when you click on start for free, I think they require you to start an account. So what they do is actually help you come out with a builder, so you're able to actually build your website. Or you can actually go to Shopify and get them to build you one. So here you can actually see they will actually help you make an online store, and there are the 3 different price plan where you pay for all the different things like staff account, 24/7 support, sales channel, all these things. Yeah, fraud analysis, but however you are supposed to pay them a premium amount, I think. Yep. So when you actually start, I think Shopify is pretty one of the cheaper alternative. Yeah, it's one of the pretty cheaper alternative out there in the website building and stuff. Alright, next you actually have Wix. Wix actually help you do a website, or you can actually do it yourself. Next is also Squarespace, where there are so many different website builder in the industry out there now. So once you want to actually start building a website for yourself, you tell yourself that I want to create a website, I want to do something. There is no restriction out there now. You can just Google how to build a website. Okay, how to build a website with, what is this? With WordPress? No more WordPress. GoDaddy. Okay. And people will start telling you how you are supposed to do that, right? You can see how to make a website in 5 minutes using GoDaddy. How to create a website with Wix. I think Wix also teach you that. Yeah, pretty much they have one. How to build a website with Shopify. Yeah, pretty much they all teach you. There are many guides out there. There are many different ways that you are able to do it out there. Alright, so next is actually towards the domain and stuff, where I'll speak to you guys on the next video. Hey, hi guys, my name is Forever Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.